Welcome to Redline Channel Automotive. Let's talk about the 2025 Toyota Avanza Hybrid's exterior, which is expected to be sleeker and more contemporary. The 2025 Toyota Avanza, the newest hybrid vehicle, is anticipated to be more aerodynamic and contemporary than its predecessor. To give it a more substantial and contemporary appearance, the front grille will probably be made bigger, more muscular, with a more intricate pattern and more chrome highlights. The LED headlights will seem more aggressive and contemporary thanks to their sharper, more futuristic style. The 2025 Avanza Hybrid will have more aerodynamic body lines to boost fuel economy and lessen wind resistance. In order to provide a more aerodynamic and contemporary look, the roof will probably be constructed to slope more. There will be a wider variety of alloy rims available, including bigger diameters and sportier styles. There will probably be blue highlights on various outward components, such as the grille or emblem, to signify the hybrid identity. Cleaner lines and better materials will be used in the more contemporary home design. The digital instrument panel will give the vehicle a more contemporary and educational look. Drivers have the ability to alter the display to suit their tastes. Everything from the infotainment system to the air conditioning settings will be controlled via the bigger touchscreen. The graphics on this screen will be crisper and more responsive. Users will be able to access a variety of applications and services through integration with cell phones. A number of active safety systems, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assistance, and blind spot monitoring, will be available on the 2025 Avanza Hybrid. A more opulent appearance will result from the use of premium materials like soft touch on the door trim and dashboard. The ergonomic design of the front and rear seats ensures optimal comfort on lengthy trips. The luggage capacity may be changed to meet your demands if the seats are foldable. A more effective design will make the cabin feel larger, particularly for the second and third rows. The Toyota Avanza 2025 will be a hybrid vehicle that combines an electric motor with a gasoline engine. Better fuel efficiency, responsive performance, and reduced emissions are just a few advantages of this combo. A 1.5-liter gasoline engine, which is renowned for its dependability and efficiency, would probably power it. To generate electricity, this device will cooperate with an electric motor. In addition to helping move the car at moderate speeds, the electric motor will supply extra power during acceleration. The electric motor will be powered by electrical energy stored in the lithium-ion battery. For optimal efficiency, the gasoline engine, electric motor, and battery work together under the direction of the hybrid control system. Many driving modes, including eco, normal, and sport modes, are typically available in hybrid vehicles, enabling you to customize the driving experience to your liking. The kinetic energy of the car is transformed into electrical energy and stored in the battery when you brake.